Hi, my name's Mark, and welcome to Membership Websites. I just want to show you this cool feature. Just this one, just down here in the middle of the page, you've got 7, 15, and 104. So in this case, for example, this website is new, it's not even launched yet, but it's saying that there are 7 registered providers. There are 15 service categories, so that will be the categories just listed here, and also there are 104 postcode areas covered. When this page loads up, these count up from 0, so let me just show you that. When you see they count up. Now, these are pre-filled, the 15 and 104, because there's always going to be 104 postcodes covered. And unless we add any more categories to this website, there'll always be 15 service categories. But this section is pretty cool because this will count how many members automatically are registered on the website. So if a new member joins this website, this will automatically increase to 8, 9, 10, and so on. And it will just keep going up. So it will do a count on every page load. It will do a fresh count to check how many registered providers there are, and it's good for giving your visitors that visual appearance of how many providers you've got. So it's a really good feature to have. I really like it. And I think there'll probably be a few people that would probably want this on their website. Again, you might be able to implement this. It is relatively simple. But if you do want to reach out, you can reach out to membershipwebsites.net, and we can help and see if we can help set that up for your site if you want something similar. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.